We'll be going over gold futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We remain in positive MACD, seeing slight signs of a diverge. We're at overbought levels with the RSI, and we have broken above the 200 moving average, this green line, which will act as our temporary support at a price of $1,720. As we extend out to the 4-hour chart, we are about to approach to pause MACD, and we're nearing overbought condition with the RSI. As we extend out further to the daily chart, we still remain in negative MACD, and we're off of oversold condition with the RSI. As for our temporary resistance, that'll be where we encountered previous resistance in the past, as indicated back in March 22nd, and that is around a price of $1,745. And as for support, that'll be where we encountered previous support levels in the past, back in March 8th at around a price of $1,680. If we were to test that support level, the price movement to the downside is roughly around 2.9%, and to test temporary resistance, that is around 1% to the upside. As for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading GLD, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio, and my entry to my long position is at $155.92, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $166.52, and my stop loss is at $151.55. However, if I were to open a short entry, that is at $168.04, and that is this range there. My target for it is at $160.47, and my stop loss is at $172.75. So whichever entry point were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold futures has a 50% chance to climb between 0 to 4%, and a 25% chance to climb between 4 to 7.5%, and to the downside, a 25% chance to fall between 0 to negative 4%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.